Welcome to Fashion Trends. In today's video, we'll be seeing about how to style your sari with an elegant blouse. So let's go. So friends, you can try going on with unique sleeves for a blouse, and you can try going on with elegant floral patterns or designs on your sari that give a super elegant look. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to Fashion Trends so you can purchase similar types of these elegant looking sari and blouse just seen in this video. You could buy them on Amazon and they're absolutely pretty. Check out the description box for the links.